Instagram has introduced a new feature called Instants, a more casual way to share quick, unedited moments. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works and how to use it. There are currently two main ways to access Instants. Method 1 is downloading the separate Instants app. If the app is available where you live, go ahead and open up your app store and download it. When this is done, simply sign in with your existing Instagram details. The nice thing about using the separate app is that it opens up directly into the camera, so you can access Instants much faster compared to the main Instagram app, which brings us to method 2. You can also access Instants directly from the main Instagram app itself. To do this, open Instagram and then click on the message icon at the bottom. If you look to the bottom right, you'll see something sticking out with a plus icon. This is where Instants live within the app. Go ahead and click on it and you'll see the same screen as the separate Instants app before. The Instants feature works the same across both methods, so just choose the one you like best. Once you're on the Instants screen, as you can see, it's quite limited, but let's discuss what you can do. Underneath the camera area, you have a large shutter button, which you simply tap to take a photo. You can choose to take a selfie shot, or if you click on the arrows to the right of this, it will change to your front-facing camera to give you both options. Note, you can also zoom in and out by clicking and dragging in the camera window to frame your photo better. If the area around you is darker, you can choose to turn the flash on by clicking the icon just here to help brighten things up first. Directly below the shutter button, if you click on the drop down button, you have the option to share the instant to your friends, which is everyone who follows you that you followed back, or your close friends list if you'd prefer to share it to a smaller group of friends. One feature that's not so obvious from looking at the screen is how to add a caption to your instant. To do this, before you take the instant, tap the bottom of the camera window and a caption box appears. Just type what you'd like it to say, followed by tapping anywhere on the camera area, and then it appears around the outer edge of the instant, as you can see. If you'd like to change it, you can just click on the X at the end of the text and start again. Now when you capture your instant, it will appear with the caption on top of it also. Once you've taken one or multiple instants, you can view them in the archive by clicking on this icon with the 4 squares. You can also create a recap of one or more of your instants. To do this, press the select icon in the top right and then choose the instance you'd like to share a recap of. Now if you click on the Create Recap button at the bottom, you can customize a number of things on your recap, as it gives you more creative tools compared to the standard instant screen. You can change things like the name, the font, add a caption, and then if you look to the top right, you'll see a more familiar range of tools that you would have access to on a standard Instagram reel or post, such as text, stickers, and audio, to name but a few. When you're happy with your recap, just click the arrow on the bottom right and choose if you'd like to share it to your story, your close friends, or even an individual person or page, and you're done. You can save instants directly to your phone's gallery by selecting them and tapping Save in the bottom left. To delete your instance, simply select the one you'd like to remove and tap the bin icon in the bottom right, followed by Delete, and it's gone. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.